Okay, here we are to the phone fixing series. Here we have a broken screen on a G5 LG. So what we want to do is we want to have the proper tools first. Basically, you can do most repairs with a simple screwdriver set. We have some straight edge and then some Phillips. We've got some cleaning rags, probably some Windex would help. Pair of safety glasses as needed. We'll put those on. And so the first thing we'll do in order to repair this phone and screen is we're going to want to remove the battery. So by doing that, as you know, you just press the side button here and it should slide out just like that. And then from there we'll set everything aside. Now in order to remove the screen and repair it, there's a couple screws here, but first what we need to do is just smash the fuck out of this thing! We need to repair that later as well.